What I wish I knew at 21, how to conquer the world's wildest frontiers like Roald Amundsen did, before GPS, before Gore-Tex, just guts and grit. Let's dive into the ice. Born on July 16, 1872, Amundsen was the ultimate polar pioneer. His first big win? The Northwest Passage. From 1903 to 1906 he navigated the deadly Arctic seas and became the first to complete that legendary route between the Atlantic and Pacific. But the South Pole was where Amundsen made history. In December 1911 he and his crew, relying on sled dogs and Inuit survival wisdom, reached the pole a full month before Britain's Robert Falcon Scott. Preparation, teamwork, and learning from the locals, that was Amundsen's secret sauce. He wasn't done. In 1926, he soared over the North Pole in the airship Norge, making him one of the first explorers to reach both ends of the Earth. Amundsen's story ends as dramatically as it began, disappearing without a trace in 1928 during a rescue mission in the Arctic. His body was never found, but his legacy is carved into history's coldest, boldest chapters. From Arctic ice to Antarctic winds, Amundsen proved the world's wildest frontiers are meant to be explored, if you dare.